This is another unboxing video. This time, instead of like my last three I did, this one's on a completely different company, Lil Kink Boutique. And I previously ordered from them, and I decided to get more of the matching set I didn't have. So what I originally got months ago was the mittens. It's the Misfit of Toys print. So it's the mittens. And that's the print on them. And I just got my other order in, and this was the first thing I noticed in it. Little sticker and little card of their logo, lollipop. So the next thing I ordered was my very first pacifier clip, and this is the specific one I got. And their pacifier clips have this specific kind on it, the heavy duty clip, and this end is elastic. Let's see here. And the other two things, sorry about the crinkles, but it's worth it to be protected. It's the onesie, they call it a bodysuit, was the next thing I ordered in the same print. So this is what it looks like. Hopefully it fits. They recommended a small from my measurements, so hopefully it fits. And theirs have these specific kind of snaps on theirs. So yeah. And on their leg gathers are more gathered than most of the other onesies I've seen. And here's the last thing. It was the same print, but the snuggle blankie. So this is what it looks like. They have the tag with their logo on it, and this is what this side looks like, and this is what the back looks like. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. So yeah, that's pretty much what I ordered. I'm gonna actually try on the onesie to see how it fits. Now that I have it on, it's really form-fitting the way I like onesies that fit. The only comparison I have to other onesies is little for big, which little for big, I have to go to their smallest size to fit right on my body. But with Lil Kink Boutique, the small's fitting just perfectly, and it's form shaping around my body the way I like. So this is so far what it looks like on me. This is what it looks like. So very happy with my purchase, and if you are wondering like what my measurements are, how this is fitting, my hips are 37, my waist here, right where the belly button is, about 31 inches. My under bust is 32, and my bust is 40. So this is a small that I'm wearing. So if that helps, that's what it compared to their sizing chart, and how like the small fits perfectly. Because when I contacted them, they responded quite quickly, and it helped. Because in my mind, from their sizing chart, I was thinking the smaller size was going to fit better. But I'm so glad I decided to go with their recommendations first, then go from there. Because usually I go by their recommendation. Then if it's too big, then I go down a size for my next purchases from a company. And usually I go by my waist size, and that's what usually fits me the best. So yeah, so all in all, I'm happy with my purchase, and all I can say is everything on their site is worth a look. And yeah, and all I can say is the link will be in the description to their shop. So if you're wanting to support a small business, it will be linked down there below. So until my next video, please comment, rate, subscribe, and until then,